bagong bird. Tapos nag-barbecue, may bagong gising na bata. May nag-barbecue, mayroong doggy, may Mr. Chef. Talk. Your mouth have a smoke. And they have here. Where we are eating in here? Inside. It's so cold. Huminga ka, be. Hinga ka. Ganon. Umuusok. Hoy, Blueberry, wag ka tumalon dyan.
Lorraine, this morning Debbie's up early because your dad's always up early.
Yan ang aming view today.
Your cat escaped twice this morning. Door and ran over to chase around the veranda here.
Dry na dry
Twice this
kasi ano, ang lamig.
Your cat's off its head.
So, yan ang aming view sa
That means you go to hospital.
house. Bye-bye. Mayroon po kaming baby, damulag. Nakasakay pa sa trolley. Damulag, it means big. Baby damulag. While shopping and eating.
Kid's got the bestest life.
Yeah, she have a drinks and she have a sausage. See hi.
Sausages are here.
Look at that. Very spoiled po yan.
Tapos yan,
Hindi pa yan nagsuklay. Ayan ang aming baby. Baby damulag. Say hi naman sa ating followers. Kumain na po yan, pero gutom pa rin.
every time in school, if we have a sausage day, I bring money.
Lucky you have money always.
Not like Kuya.
Kuya no have money. He is working every day after school.
At least I have money.
So you need to work when you're 12 years old. And you have your own money.
12.
Yeah. Kuya no is starting work 14. So when I was young, I starting work when I was 7 years old.
Wait,
Yeah.
Vansboro.
Nasa baning kami guys. So yun lang ang aming update for today. Nawalan ako ng internet guys. So yan no. Ito rusty siya. Pero maganda rin. And this one is blue. Oh, for sale siya. For sale.
Now say hi.
Ito rusty siya. Yung kaninang pinakita ko. Nawalan ako ng internet. Ang gaganda. Car show. Unexpected namin to. Padaan lang kami. So, ayan. Iba-ibang cars. Ito maganda, naka-open siya. Look at this one. It's so nice. So cute. 2-seaters lang siya. See? This one is good. Look at this one. Where's Daddy? Daddy's find the new friends there. Ooh, mayroon pang isang bagong dating. Ayun o. Kasama niya yung misis niya. Andito. Ayun o. Yeah, that's old car. But that's too expensive now when you buy that.
At least Daddy has his own.
This one Ford, look at that. I like the color. It's like matte green.
The other one's for sale.
Yeah, I saw that. This one is nice also. That's expensive one. Look at your daddy. Very friendly.
He meets some other
Yeah.
friends.
Yeah, we take the videos on that the red cars in there. It's like cute.
Yeah, I took a video and then you know that blue one?
This one is too rusty. The two cars.
The blue car, that's for sale.
Yeah, you know. That's good for you when you drive. Yeah, this one. It's so nice. Look at that. It's like cute. And open also. See? Pag gusto mo mag-road, ano lang, driving. Ang ganda. The red one, that one is a bigger than the blue one. But same style.
Come.
See? It's so nice. Yeah. Look at that. Para siyang itlog. Oh, look at the front, Lorraine. It's nice. The front. See? Sit there. I take the photos on you. No, it's like that on. Ako picture mo. This one, you click this one. Click this one. The round one.
Okay, I know. Two photos.
It's so nice. Yeah, that's all. Ang dami, oh. It's so much screen on here for the car show. Hello guys, meron akong binili na sunscreen. This one is Hikari Tinted Sunscreen. Try natin. Ay, ang cute ng ano niya. Aray ko. Oh my god, so much cute. Star.
What?
Hikari. Hikari. I like to try on my face. Oh my god. Ang hirap naman niya ano. Pisilin. Ay, nice.
Time na ako magluluto ng ano,
Na,
kari-karing pata.
yeah. Do that ko yan. Pinupos ko ng pinupos. Ano naman pala, kailangan ito-twist. Pero cute siya, oh. Style.
Ay, wala ba itong ano?
Sakit? Wala. Lalagay lang sa ano, siplap. Kailan nag-sunscreen ko lang gabi na, no? Just try only. Pero maganda siya, oh. Pag biniblend mo siya, oh, kuya, tingnan mo, nag-iba. First time ko itong gumamit. Actually, mas maganda naman ang ano, ang sunscreen dito sa Australia. Ito kasi Philippines. Pero ano, I think Hikari from Japan. Japan daw to. Maganda. Maganda siya pag biniblend sa mukha. So, hindi ko na kailangan mag-face powder. Sa kamay pa lang, maganda na siya eh. Maganda ka sa mukha, kuya. Para siyang ano, face powder. Very smooth siya. First time ko itong ano, gamitin. Ay, maganda nga. Tapos magba-blush on na lang. Maganda siya. Kakaiba. So, that's all ang ating new sunscreen. Ang ganda ng ano, natuwa ako sa kanya. SPF 50 na siya. Japan siya pero sabi made in the Philippines. I don't know. I don't understand. Yeah. Meron din pala siya sa ano, sa Facebook. So yan ang ating sunscreen SPF 50. That's all. baba. Nahawakan ko siya sa dulo kasi ano, kapal. Hindi may makina ako dito. Sobrang kapal yun kasi. Kaya naalalayan ko yun. So, yun. Nakapahit tayo ng ating cortina. Saan ka pa? Libre-bili na.